What's up, guys? It's Dorian here, and today I'm going to show you how I did this feather design on this client's head. Just to get this out the way, I'm feeling a little sick. I'm a bit congested, so I might sound a little off, but let's just get started with this tutorial. I'm using a stainless steel comb to part his hair there on his left side of the head, just to make a straight line when I bald that line up top right there that you see. And now we're gonna use the Hair Design Stencil, and this is gonna help guide you with your design, just to make sure that you do your design to as perfect as possible to your ability. So pretty much this is the blueprint to your design. We are blueprinting our design. So instead of being amateur, we are being professional. We are planning out the design, and this is perfectly fine. This means that we are being secure with our next move. So this feather is gonna look as perfect as possible because I already planned it out. So I'm just gonna finish drawing it now, and any minute now I'll be balding it out. But honestly, this is the best way to do designs. If you want to put someone's name or a sports team number on someone's head, like for high school, like let's say someone's, sports team number is like 21, you could put it in a nice font on their head, and you'll be able to do a very good job at making it look like it's the perfect font. Like let's say you want to do old English letters or something. You'll be able to do it perfectly because you drew it out first. So yeah, the Hair Design Stencil is gonna help avoid make mistakes. That is the big part with designs. That is the biggest fear that people have when they're doing designs is, man, am I gonna mess up? Is this feather gonna look good? Am I gonna do his name right? Am I gonna do the sports team logo right? I've done many designs. Sports team logos, cartoon characters. I've done Ninja Turtle designs. Spider-Man, I put that on someone's head once upon a time. So the Hair Design Stencil is just meant to help guide you with your designs. So we're pretty much done drawing the feather, and now we're just gonna bald out the side because I'm gonna do a skin fade. So if you do a skin fade and you kind of like have the design left behind where the skin fade is, that's gonna help make your design pop. And now we're gonna do those lines for the feathers, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this for a bit. Just take it in. It's all a visual concept. I learned best by looking at others, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me for a bit. I'll be back to commentate in just a few. Alright, so we're gonna erase the stencil, which is made from liquid chalk with Aftershave, and I'm just using Sea Breeze on a neck strip, and it rubs right off. It actually, sometimes it might even just come off with just water. So yeah, the Hair Design Stencil is not meant to be a permanent hair coloring solution. Instead, at the end of this video, I'll show you how I use semi-permanent hair color. But now we get to actually start balding more of the inside, and we're gonna use a shaving gel. Normally I wouldn't use shaving gel and then use the trimmers, but I kind of did that backwards. So it's all good. Yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna edit this again. You guys are gonna hear this raw, okay? Use good products. I like to use Shapu Blades. These are probably the most smoothest blades that I've ever used to shave someone. Shapu blades are very, very high quality premium razor blades. that you can use, and it's the best. If you use it alongside a good shaving gel or hot towels for those shaves on people's face, it is the best shave that you can ever give someone. Shapu Blades, I really recommend you check that out. You could also find that at detailedbarbers.com. Probably the best razor blades I've ever used. So yeah, we're done shaving the design, and now we're just gonna fade up on the sides, and I'm just gonna kind of skip that a little bit. But I'm gonna show you the blend comb, the stainless steel blend comb. It is dope. I love the stainless steel blend comb. Honestly, I don't think I'll ever go to a plastic comb again. Metal combs are the way to go. More specifically, this comb, it's made from Japanese stainless steel, so you know you're gonna get a high quality metal, and it is a game changer. I've been using this comb for about 2 months, and I will never ever go back to a plastic comb. So this is the blend comb, which is the wide comb, and then the skinny comb, which you'll see in a bit. That one is legit. I love that skinny comb too. It's the cutting comb is what I call it. But yeah, we're just gonna line them up right now. I'm using the Slimline Pro LIs. I love Andy's trimmers, man. The Slimline Pro LIs are the best trimmers for doing designs and just lining up overall. Very good trimmers. I recommend it if you're looking for a good trimmer. And they're cordless too, with a lithium-ion battery. So yeah, that blue thing on the top of his head is called a hair gripper, and there's plenty of hair grippers out there from several different brands. So any hair gripper will generally work, and that just helps separate hair. Now this is the cutting comb. It's a bit skinnier, and it's very good. That one is just a prototype though. The next one will be a lot better. You're gonna have that missing tooth, so you can part hair real nice, and it's gonna have numbers so you can measure in inches on the other side of the comb. It's a very, very dope comb. This one's also made from Japanese stainless steel. I really recommend you guys check that out. You can pre-order it at detailedbarbers.com, or depending on when you watch this video later on, you could probably just straight up order it and I'll ship it out to you. But yeah, now we get to style his hair. I like to use that blend comb for styling. It really just, it has a bit more weight to it, and it feels just more premium, more right, you know. I love that comb, man. Like, I will never ever go back to a plastic comb. And we're just gonna go ahead and use the blade holder. I have the blade holder with a minimum exposure, which is the best type of exposure you want on your razor blade, and that's just my personal opinion. So yeah, man, just a little bit of final touch-ups, and now we are gonna get to the color enhancements. And I use Kiss Express. I use Kiss Express for color enhancements. I'm gonna just give them a bit more of a style on top with that comb. But yeah, man, if you use color enhancements on designs, it's totally fine to overdo it a little bit. It's totally fine. Right there, Kiss Express, that's darkest brown. And I just put it in this little container top that I have. And I have like a eyeliner brush that my wife lent me, and I've been using it for designs. And honestly, this is gonna help make your designs stand out. I mean, look at all these lines, like they're just gonna stand out more now. And it's just gonna make the design pop. The design's gonna pop more, it's gonna give it more definition. I think it's okay to overdo designs with color enhancements. It's all right to overdo it, man. Go ahead and overdo it if you want, because designs, they're already like a big statement. If someone is wanting to get a design on their head, you might as well make that thing look as good as possible. And look at how this design looks. It looks good with color enhancements. So that's it, guys. We are all done. This design was pretty easy. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I'll be coming out with a lot more videos and product reviews. I just got another YouTube channel. My second YouTube channel. I'm gonna be playing some video games on there. Not sure if I should mix that with this channel, so I made a separate channel for that. But yeah, check out these designs, man. They're all possible with the Hair Design Stencil. It's that easy. And yeah, man, the Hair Design Stencil is just gonna help guide you onto that next level, because you're gonna have that attention to detail. So yeah, man, there's another feather right there for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and peace.